JSA and JHA, two safety terms that sound similar, but are they actually the same? Let's break it down in just 90 seconds. Let's start with Job Safety Analysis, or JSA. A JSA focuses on a specific job or task. The job is broken down into simple steps. Hazards are identified at each step, and safe controls are defined before work begins. JSAs are commonly used before routine or high-risk tasks, like welding, lifting, or working at height. Now let's talk about Job Hazard Analysis, or JHA. A JHA looks at hazards more broadly. It analyzes potential dangers associated with a job role, activity, or process, even before a specific task is planned. JHAs are often used during project planning, process design, or safety reviews. So what's the difference? JSA is task-specific and practical. JHA is broader and more analytical. Think of JHA as the big picture, and JSA as the on-site action plan. Both tools aim for one goal: preventing accidents before they happen. Use JHA to understand risks early, and JSA to control them on the job. Plan safe, work safe.